Hey guys, welcome to Hike Mentors. So today we are going to practice the task 2 introduction. In earlier videos, I cleared all the theories with you. So today we are going to practice the keywords, paraphrasing and thesis, all the things with the two essays, and I would try to keep the videos as simple as I can so you can understand it better. Okay, keep the notebook with you because we are going to practice some introductions so that you can also practice with them. Let's come to the video. So we are going to practice the task 2 introductions, journal statement, what is journal statement, and what is paraphrasing, and what is the thesis for you. So if I ask about the first things, you can see the statement on your screen. The statement is, some people think that the best way to run a business is within the family. So first, in the very first step, you need to find out the what type of question it is, and you need to understand the statement, like what they are asking. Basically the task 2 is about the advantage and disadvantage. We need to discuss both the advantage and disadvantage, but the main keywords, what they are, like some people think that the best way to run a business is within the family. So we will underline the keyword in very first step. So if I underline the keywords, you can see on your screen our main keywords are, this is the most critical step for you guys before you start writing, even before you start planning. If you have the keywords, you are going to fulfill the task response, and if you cover all the keywords in the statement, your task response will be higher. So the keywords here are the best way, the business, within the family. Means what they are saying, if you're running a business, you should hire your family persons as compared to the external members, or recruiting like anybody else, because it might be more interesting, or it might be more trustworthy, or there could be disadvantage as well. So what is our next step? In our next step, we are going to paraphrase it. Okay, like in earlier videos I discussed with you, for introduction you first need a journal statement, that is totally optional, and if you don't know it, or if you haven't watched the video, please watch the earlier video as well. So the next step is to find the similar words. In paraphrasing, what we do, we write these similar words with the help of synonyms, or we can change the active to passive voice the statement. So in paraphrasing, if I talk about our words, what they were actually, like some people think the best way. So best way, we can write most effective method it is. You can also choose your own words, guys, and to need to increase your vocabulary, to increase your synonyms, you need to go through some sample answers. So if you need the ebooks or the sample answer ebooks, it is totally free for you guys. Please call or WhatsApp on the given number in the description box, and I'll definitely provide you the free ebook. So to run, we can write operate, and business, that is fine. Within the family, that is totally fine. And advantage, disadvantage, you can also write some words for it. Okay, it might be merits, demerits, drawbacks, benefits, you can write any other way for it. And if I move to the next one, so find similar words we have written here. The thesis, what you are going to write after your paraphrasing, next thing which you are going to think, that is the thesis. And what is thesis, guys? What is your opinion, what you are going to write in your task? Like if you are writing any opinion based essay, which I'll discuss in the next video to you guys, then your opinion will be totally clear in your like introduction. But if I talk about the advantage or disadvantage, you can highlight any one or two particular advantage and one or two any particular disadvantage, which you are going to discuss in your writing task 2 in your body paragraphs. Like if I talk about what you are going to write, you need to finalize your ideas before that. Okay, you need to finalize your ideas. For that you need a brainstorming. Brainstorming is what you need to plan your essay, like what I am going to write, what advantage I think there are of hiring family members, what disadvantages are there of hiring family members, guys. Fine. So like if I talk about some of the advantage and disadvantage of it, like members are trustworthy and reliable. Okay, this could be the point, and we are going to explain it in the body paras. And the second thing could be personal problem can cause difficulties. That is your disadvantage. Like if any of the family member is getting sick, you are both in a family member, you need to go any family function, you have any problem in your family, then your business will suck. Okay, so let's move to the next thing. We are going to write it the full introduction here on your screen. I can clear it right now. Okay, so this is what a perfect introduction look like. Okay, the most effective method of operating a business is throughout the keeping it within the family. Keeping it within the family means you can hire your own family members according to certain group of, you are free to use like these kind of we can say phrases, or these kind of some intro lines or some kind of fillers are there according to certain group of people. Some people think that, some people opine that, like on the one hand, family members are trustworthy and reliable, which we like planned here. We are going to write it. Okay, trustworthy and reliable. And other thing, we are going to write the disadvantage, like on the other hand, personal problem can cause difficulties. Then what you are going to write in this essay shall delve into both side of argument, that is your thesis. Even if you don't write, that is fine, but if you write it, this is a more formal way to write your introduction. I'm going to highlight again what you need to do, guys. First of all, you need to understand the statement, what the statement is about, what kind of essay it is. Either it is an opinion based, either it is discussed about you, or it may be advantage, disadvantage, it could be reason effect. Then you need to find the or underline the keywords. That is most important thing, to underline the keywords, because it is most critical for your task response. Then guys, after underlining the keywords, you need to paraphrase the statement, or for paraphrasing the statement, you need to write in advance some synonyms, some similar words, so that you can think. Always think and write in different times. When you are thinking, you are just thinking, you are just planning your ideas. When you are writing, you are just writing, you don't need to think back. Okay, after finding the similar words, you need to go through your thesis, what you are going to write in your essay, what are your ideas that you are focusing on, and you are going to explain what are your opinion about the essays, what do you think the advantage or disadvantage, and you can highlight them in your introduction, so that examiner have a clear mindset what your opinion and what you are going to write. That is really gonna help you to score a really good. Always remember to to get the good score, you need to be very simple, and to be very simple, you need to plan in advance. Okay, so the next thing, after writing the statement, you are like full. Now you can write down the full introduction. There is on your screen, you can take the screenshot of it, so that later on when you are going to practice, you can also do the same thing. First of all, the paraphrasing, then you are going to write thesis, like what you are going to write in it. If you have any journal statement, that you can write as well, but for that you need to really work hard. You need to go through lots of sample answers, so that your journal statement meets with your writing statement. For that, I will recommend you to go to the paraphrasing and thesis directly, so that you can score really high in your writing. So as I earlier told you, we are going to practice. So I am giving you one more statement on your screen, so that you can also try, and we are again going to discuss it in the same way. Okay, so this is the screen, and this is the statement on your screen. You will read it by yourself, you will pause the video, you will underline the keyword, you will find what kind of essay it is, you will like what will be your thesis, what kind of essay according to you it is. Like, do you think advantage, that benefit of this advantage outweigh the disadvantage? Okay, that is the thing. So please pause the video, try it by yourself, and then come back to the video, and I'm going to explain it. Okay, so okay, if you have tried it or not, just watch the video now. Like today, more and more students are deciding to move another countries for their studies. Like many students are going to abroad for their higher studies. You can see the trend, like people are going to some developed countries to complete their education. Do you think the benefit of this outweigh the disadvantage? Means, are there more benefits or there are more disbenefits? You are going to write totally on one side, it could be 70-30. And how to write opinion based essay, definitely you will find the video on your course. Stay with the channel, subscribe it please. So okay, we are going to write down the main keywords. So here are some of the keywords here. Students, move another country. Do you think? Definitely it's opinion based essay. And the benefit. So what we did earlier, we are going to write now as well. We are going to find out the similar words for it. So if I talk about the move to another country, we can write down the relocate abroad. And if I talk about relocate, that is totally an academic word. You are suggested to write as many as academic word you can write in your writing. Okay. For the studies, it is very simple. You can write the education. You just need to change. You just need to show your English level to the examiner so that he can get, yes, there are some things that you can write. If there is some strong word there, you can write the simple word. If there are some simple word, you can write down some strong word. You just need to change. But I would, request you guys not to use the fancy words. What are fancy words? You know very well. You just Google some words. There are some words which you don't even understand, you haven't read anywhere, but you still use in your writing. Means you are ending up losing your score. Okay. Advantage, you know very well, you can write the benefits. These words might be very easy for you guys, but believe me, they can get you really high score. Simplicity is the key to score higher in IELTS. Either it might be speaking, it might be writing, it might be reading. As simple as you will go, more smooth will you go, and as much more smooth you are, you're going to get more score. So the keywords we have underlined, we have done the paraphrasing. So our next things is to think about the thesis. What's your opinion? What do you think? Are there more advantage or more disadvantage? You must have planned something on your notebook as well. What is according to you? If I give my opinion here, so I believe that overall the advantages are much stronger than the disadvantage. So I am thinking like, yes, there are more advantages. So I am going to explain this in my essay as well. This essay will examine the positive of studying abroad and weakness of remaining in your home country. Remaining in your home country means if you stay in your home country, you don't relocate. We are going to examine, means we are going to discuss both positive and negative. Rather than just simply writing positive and negative, I have used some of the statement here. The weakness of remaining in your country means you just need to show your language as much as you can show. And again, I'll recommend you to find out some right ebooks for you, to get some sample answer for you. WhatsApp me on the description box and I'll provide you the free book with the 9 band sample answers of writing task 2. Okay, so let's move to the full introduction. You can see on your screen, nowadays there is a growing trend. That is some sort of general statement. Like, there is a growing trend means there is an increasing trend, there is an upsurging trend for students to relocate abroad to continue their education. Okay, despite numerous obstacles, that is my type of essay, that is my type of sentence actually. Despite numerous obstacles means they might face some problems there, but what I believe that we have discussed in thesis, and when I would come to this point, like I think I have like there are more advantages when I will plan it, when I know I can explain the advantage. There might be some discrimination, there might be some opposing things happens. If you are agree, if you think there are more advantages, and if in your body para you are going to write more disadvantage, that will be totally contradiction. You will get really low score for that. So just plan your essay first, then come to any conclusion, then write your thesis. That's why planning is so important. Okay, so that is all clear about the today's lesson, guys. So if I request you guys, please subscribe the channel and get the free online course which are which I daily providing you through the YouTube, through the social media. Follow us on the Facebook and Instagram for the daily vocabularies and the reading IELTS tips. Join our online classes if you belong to any country, whatever the country you are in around the world, because we have trained thousands of students and they really got 7+ score in their IELTS. And if you call us right now, just after watching this video, just take the screenshot please, you would get directly 50% off. The number on your screen, that is 70278400003. Subscribe the channel please, share it with your friends, and definitely I'll be providing more interesting video to you. Till then, I would request you to just, rather than watching the videos, please practice as well. Okay, thank you guys, please share the video.